there and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Wantable. Thank you Wantable for sponsoring this video. I am so excited to tell you about this styling service. I am so happy with it because, well, actually there's so many reasons. The first one is it saves me a lot of time. I love fashion, I love shopping, but I love when people do the shopping for me because it takes out any decision fatigue, and also you are assigned a stylist and that stylist will choose pieces for you based on your quiz. And also my stylist has introduced me to clothing items that I wouldn't have normally picked, and you get a chance to try it on. And I actually love everything that she selected. So those are like the main reasons why I think Wantable is a great styling service. What I really loved about Wantable too, that was really different from other styling services, is when you take your quiz, you get what they call a stream. So you get this whole like line sheet of potential items that were matched for you. And I can tell you it was so much fun to look through that stream. There was just, I don't know, it seemed like at least 100 items that I could pick from, that I could choose that was perfect for my style, for my preference, for my body type. And they did a great job matching me up with items that I could potentially love. And from this stream, you get to specify which items you'd like to see in your edit. So it is nice to know that you're gonna get pieces that you are interested in trying on. So I like the fact that there's just no time wasted. There's extra attention in items selected by my stylist with pieces that I actually would like to try on and wear. So how does Wantable work? Well, let me tell you. First, you choose your edit. So you can select from style, active, sleep and body, or men's edit, and then you take the quiz. From there, they will send you your perfect pieces based on your unique needs. And then your $20 styling fee is also applied towards any items you buy. So now that you understand what Wantable is and just how amazing the styling box is, I would like to share with you the items that I decided to keep from my edit. The struggle is real in finding a top that is both stylish and unique, and I love this top from Voy Los Angeles in black. It is so chic. I love the V-neck ruffle sleeve. It's in vegan leather. I'm wearing a size medium, and it is actually really comfortable on because I have worn vegan leather tops before that were just really constricting or you felt really hot, but this material is actually really breathable and it feels so good against your skin. And the ruffle sleeves are just adorable, and I'm just thrilled to have this in my wardrobe. I have it here with denim. You can easily wear it with a skirt or with leggings, and it is a definite keeper. Flare jeans are trending again. Yay! Who's excited about that? I am, and I have found the perfect pair of flare jeans thanks to Wantable. It is super soft. It feels so good on the skin. It just has the right amount of stretch, and I love that it's mid-rise, so it fits really comfortably on my waist. The color is amazing. I love the indigo blue. I have it here. I have it wearing my favorite white boots. I haven't decided if I want to get these hemmed or not. I only stand at 5'4", and so it seems a little bit longer than I liked, so I might get it hemmed. Let me know what you guys think if you like the length on me. But the jeans are just so cute, and it's perfect for winter as it's going to get cold, and I will wear this all season long with any top, sweaters, cardigans, denim jackets, everything. This coat is a total win because I actually was looking for a new coat this season, so I was just excited when I found out that Wantable selected this in my style edit, It is from Kenneth Cole. It's called their Hooded Packable Puffer Coat. I'm wearing a size medium, and of course, I just love everything black, so this is the perfect color. And there it is, the case where you can fold up the coat and store it and pack it, so it's perfect for travel. The pockets have a zipper closure, and it's just so pretty. The quilting pattern is just gorgeous. It's very sleek. It feels really good on. I feel so warm in it, but not uncomfortably bulky or anything like that. It's very streamlined and it just looks really chic, and I can't wait to wear this out. Hey, I just realized there's something important that I need to tell you. So while I'm modeling this amazing coat, I just wanted to let you know that in your edit, in your order, you receive a note from your stylist. My stylist's name is Veronica, and it's just really great because she gives you more details about your order and how to style it. I really love the styling notes because, again, I can reference back to it and it gives you an itemized report of all the items in your edit, and that is so helpful. Another item I selected is this beautiful Palm Coast tank in black from 78 and Sunny. And you may think that it's quite odd that I'm selecting a tank for wintertime, but I actually live in Orange County, California, and sometimes it gets warm at winter. So this is the perfect tank to layer all of my looks for this season. Here I have my favorite cardigan, and just that neutral base of black looks good with so many things, and it's just a wardrobe staple that I will use time and time again. It is important to me to build a usable, functional wardrobe, and that means having essential pieces. And that would include this beautiful top from 78 and Sunny again. It is their Marco Island mock neck layering tank, and this beautiful creamy chocolate brown color. Brown is such a great neutral piece. You don't always have to go with black, and it's just perfect to wear during the winter time. I can easily put like black thermo shirt, a layering shirt underneath, which I have done in the past, and it looks so cute with my cardigan, and I just feel so stylish in it. And that's what's so great about living in California during the winter time, because you can get by with wearing tanks and just layering a simple cardigan on top, and I'm so glad Wantable introduced me to it. There are so many amazing pieces from my Style Edit. Veronica, you did such a great job in selecting pieces that I'm obsessed with. Speaking of obsessed, I am crazy about this sweater dress. It is from Apricot in this beautiful emerald green color. The sleeves, the ruche sleeves, are so much fun, and I am wearing it with my favorite pair of boots. And I really hope that you enjoyed this review and try on with Wantable. I'm very happy with this online styling service. I invite you to check my description box for my link if you are interested in experiencing Wantable yourself.